Hey everyone! Welcome back to Rubizart. Today, we're turning simple paper into something truly beautiful. You don't need expensive materials, just a little creativity and love for art. Crafting isn't just about making things. It's about expressing yourself. Every fold, every color, every tiny detail brings happiness and calm. So take a deep breath, grab your scissors and glue, and let's create something that'll make your gift look extra special. Because handmade gifts don't just wrap items, they wrap emotions. Alright, let's begin our paper gift pack. First, take a thick sheet of colored paper any shade you love. Fold it neatly from both sides to make a box shape. Use glue to seal the edges properly so it holds strong. Now fold the bottom corners inward to form the base. Press it gently and glue it tight. Perfect! Once the base is done, fold down the top part to close your pack. You can punch a small hole and tie a ribbon for that classy look. Now let's decorate. Use colorful strips, stickers, or artificial flowers to give it a creative touch. You can also write a cute message tag like "Made with Love" or "Just for You." And there you go, your beautiful paper gift pack is ready. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and filled with your personal touch. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this cute and easy craft idea. Don't forget to try it and surprise someone with your handmade gift pack. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Rubizart for more creative ideas using recycled items.